Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu states, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam contracted a marriage and visited his wife. My mother Sulaim made has a sweet dish whose ingredients are dates, parched barley flour, and ghee. Put it in a dish and said, O Anas, take it to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submit to him. My mother has sent it to you and conveyed you salutation, saying, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it is a humble gift from us to you. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, place it here. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, go and invite so and so, those people whom you meet, and call the names of some people. I summoned those people whose names he sallallahu alaihi wasallam mentioned, as well those who happened to come across me. The reporter says, I asked Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu, how many were they? He said, approximately 300 people. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said to me, O Anas, fetch me that dish. Then those people entered until the room and the platform got crammed. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, let all of you divide into a separate group of 10 in form of circles, and let everyone eat right before him. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says, they ate too much. They ate too much that they got satiated. One group would leave after eating, and then the second group would come. When all the people had finished eating, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said to me, O Anas, pick up this dish. Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says, I could not decide whether there was more food in the dish when I placed it or when I picked it up. He further said, after eating, some people lingered long over discussion in the house of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, whereas Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was also sitting there, and his wife was sitting there facing the wall. Their staying back lay heavy on Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam went out of the house, saluted his wives, and came back. When they saw that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam had returned, they realized that their stay lay heavy on Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They thereupon quickly made towards the door and went away. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam came in and drew the curtain. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam entered the apartment to see me sitting therein. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam stayed there for a while, then came to me while these words had been revealed to him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then came out and recited those verses to the people. Translation: O believers, enter not the houses of the Prophet unless you get permission. For instance, you are invited to a meal, but not in this manner that you yourselves wait for its preparation. Yet, when you are invited, then enter, and when you have taken your meal, then disperse. Nor this, that you may sit down and amuse yourselves in talks. Undoubtedly, this was causing inconvenience to the Prophet, but he had regard for you. But Allah is not shy of saying the truth. The Confederates, verse 53. Jad says that Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu said, I have remembered the cause of revelation of these verses more than others, and thus the orders of veil for the Prophet's wives were issued. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3493.